Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the eco mode on your TCL air conditioner, and I'm also going to explain how it helps reduce electricity consumption. So the eco mode is basically the energy saving feature that automatically adjusts the compressor and fan speed to maintain a comfortable temperature while using less electricity. So in order to use this feature, you need to first of all press this power button in order to turn on your AC. Now, when it is basically turned on, you just have to also make sure that your air conditioner is on the cool mode. So when both of these things are done, the eco mode is basically designed primarily for cooling operation on the most of the TCL models. So that's why I asked you to make sure that it is on the cool mode. Now you just have to simply locate the eco mode or the eco button on top of your remote, and you just have to simply press it. Now when you press it, you are going to see the eco icon or the eco written available on the display that confirms that the energy saving mode is now enabled. So once eco mode is active, the air conditioner will automatically reduce the compressor outlet and optimize the fan speed. So in that case, you don't need to do anything. Now if you want to run it on the normal speed, you just have to press the eco button again and it will come on the normal cooling performance. So that's how you can basically use this feature. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.